We will continue with the interview of one of our customers, ALTECH from Japan. He is invested in a bottle-to-bottle application. Hello, Mr. Katayama-san. It's a pleasure for me to have ALTECH for an interview available today. Thank you, Mr. Katayama-san, for your time and providing us with the interview. I also would like to thank the entire ALTECH team for the trust and cooperation with NGR, as well the investment for a bottle-to-bottle line for your plant. Now I would like to hand over to you, Mr. Katayama-san, and ask for an introduction of yourself and a short history about the company ALTECH.
Sure. So first of all, thank you very much for inviting me for NGR seminar today. And ALTECH has two cap on our head. One as a trading company. We are registered in the first place in Tokyo stock market. And our revenue is around $200 million as a group. We are representing 170 industrial machines from overseas countries, which covers many industries in the market. And I'm in charge of a polymer process divisions, which is one of the 8 divisions of ALTECH, dealing with the plastic converting machines, including NGR Recycling system. So we have another cap on our head as a preform manufacturer. We have a facility in 5 locations in Suzhou, Guangzhou, Wuhan, Chongqing in China, and Fukui in Japan. And in those facilities, we are producing more than 2 billion preforms and 500 million caps annually, which is quite a lot of numbers because we are dealing with the Chinese market. And our preform are mainly used for aseptic filling, which requires very, very high quality demands. And we also have a joint venture with Coca-Cola China as their first aseptic bottling plant in China. So our customers are major brand owners such as Coca-Cola, Suntory, Danone, EA Kelly, Otsuka Pharmaceuticals, blah, 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 a lot. And in our Fukui, besides our preform facilities, we installed the NGR P in order to manufacture preform using bottle-to-bottle recycling material in Japan. And we are very excited to start production in this autumn. And our production line is 2 tons our pellet, pellet making systems.
Thank you for the introduction. ALTECH seems to be a very innovative and huge company with various business segments. Further, I would like to ask you a general question regarding the PET recycling market in Japan. What are the biggest challenges in the Japanese bottle-to-bottle recycling market? And how is the current collection rate in your country?
PET bottle recycling status in Japan is just, we have a very good ratio, like 93% collecting ratio. And 40% are exporting, mainly to China and overseas countries, and 60% are recycled in inland. And today's situation, as of 2020, we have only 12%, which is equivalent to 74,000 tons converted to bottle from bottle recycled material. And 20% is converted to sheet, and 10% to fiber and filaments. That is the situation in Japan. And today, Japan beverage owners are very keen to establish bottle-to-bottle recycling, kind of horizontal recycling flow, in order to establish a circular economy in Japan. For instance, Coca-Cola said 90% by 2030. Suntory said 100% by 2030, not 1930, 2030. And it depends on the brand owners how much they are using bottle-to-bottle recycling. But as a conclusion, Beverage Association, Japan Beverage Association announced 50% of a PET bottle will be made by bottle-to-bottle recycling by 2030 as an industry target quite recently. So which means 12% of today, which is equivalent to 74,000 tons, is going to be 50%, which is 330 kilotons in 2030. Means 5 times bigger from today in bottle-to-bottle application. That is the status in Japan we are facing. We are moving.
Thank you for the interesting answers. These are great figures for the collection rate of PET bottles in Japan. Obviously, Japan is a model country for the PET collection systems. The next question what I have for you is about your investment in the recycling plant. What are the main reasons why you choose our liquid state polycondensation systems for your recycling plant?
So first of all, safety as a food package, we have to think about. So decontamination capability is most critical and necessary element for both volatile and physical toxic contamination. An IV increase in faster production speed is required. And at the same time, IV stability has to be kept in target IV setting. Of course, color and transparency in end product has to be kept, and acetaldehyde has to be less than 1 ppm if you would like to use, a bottle in water application. And the why I choose, LSP P-Gran is one of the reasons is I love real-time IV monitoring system of P-Gran. So which is very, very, strong, system in order to keep quality management in high productivity. So the last but not least, cost performance is very important element as well. So there's many reasons we chose LSP P-Gran. So after confirming all performance of P-Gran in Fukui, there's another reason we would like to challenge Flake to preform line will be as our next challenge. That is one of the reasons why we choose LSP because of this, extension capability. Because I believe this will be, this will achieve, better cost performance, even better, quality. So P-Gran deserves to connect injection system by accumulation capacity and faster IV increasing, capability, and of course compact design.
Thank you, Mr. Katayama-san, for the detailed answer, what I completely agree. These are very promising facts, what confirms that we are on the right way with our technology. Now, we are already at the end of the interview. I have to say thank you for your time and for your answers. I wish you and your team all the best and success with your new bottle-to-bottle recycling line. Take care and goodbye.
Okay, thank you very much. We're very excited to have your system. Thank you very much.